Do you know that your phone number is being exposed without your knowledge? Certain apps and functions on your phone have access to your phone number, or they can use your phone number, which can be accessed by scammers and other marketing people without your knowledge. And do you want to stop this? Do you want to know more about it? Then keep watching this video. I'm going to share you with few functions or few tips on how to prevent these or turn these off from your number being exposed to unauthorized like sites, apps, and unauthorized people like, for marketers, some marketing people or scammers. All these people access your phone number. Okay, so I will show you how we can stop these or prevent these. So let's get into this video. So as I mentioned earlier, certain apps and functions use your phone number, which can be accessed by unauthorized people. So what you're going to do is on your phone, okay, go to settings on your phone. So open up settings on your phone. Okay, so once you're on your settings on your phone, so what you're going to do next is go to Google. So scroll down. Okay, scroll down and you will see this Google option here. So tap on the Google option. And once you're on the Google option here, once this page loads here, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on these all services options. So just tap on these all services options. Okay, so once you click on all services, next on your screen here, scroll down. Okay, scroll all the way down and you will see this option here. Okay, under autofill and passwords, you will see this option called phone number sharing. Tap on the phone number sharing, and here if this phone number sharing is turned on, what you're going to do is just tap the switch and turn it off. So this will stop Google and Google related service accessing or sharing your phone number to other unauthorized or third parties. Okay, you can stop this by just tap off this switch here, phone number sharing, just turn it off. Okay, that's one tip that you're going to do in order to prevent this. Next, once you're done with that, so next thing that what we're going to do is you're going to go to your settings again. So we are on your settings here. Okay, so we are on your settings. So now what we're going to do, search for, enter the search bar here, search for unknown. Okay, just type in unknown. Okay, just type unknown. When you type unknown, okay, it will take you to this option here under apps, install unknown apps. Tap on it. Okay, certain apps, what happens is certain apps, especially the apps that are not from the Play Store. Okay, those apps that are not on the Play Store, if you like the apps that you download outside Play Store, these are the potential vulnerable ones. I'm not saying all the apps, but specific apps, certain apps that are not from the Play Store especially, they have access to your phone number, which can be a potential risk to scammers. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn off these unauthorized usage of number by these unknown apps, especially for the apps that's outside your Play Store. Okay, to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll here under, scroll all the way down, and you have this option called install unknown apps. Select it. Okay, select it, and then this will open up here. So now here you have all the applications, okay, that have access, that can actually download apps from unknown source from here. So in these options here, try to turn off, don't allow any of these apps, I would suggest, unless if you really require. For example, like Chrome, you can, if you need it, you can allow Chrome, but for other options here, you don't really need to. So what you can do is simply tap on it. So for example here, Dropbox, or else Dropbox here, if you can tap on it and then allow from this source, just turn it off. So you have this option here. If it's turned on, turn it off. Likewise, do the same for all other apps here. Okay, all other apps, look what other apps you have here, and for all those things that you think they are not required, just turn this option off. Turn this option off, then that will stop you from installing unknown apps from unknown sources through these platforms here. Okay, so just check that and make sure. I would suggest most of these to not allow. Okay, just do that, and then once that's done, next thing that we're going to do is certain sites, actually when we are browsing and everything, certain sites like they actually have access to your phone number, through your phone number and other details, especially when you're visiting sites through like your browsers, like in this case like Google Chrome, because Chrome is like most of us we use Chrome. So so browsers like Chrome, they can be be a reason why like certain sites can access to your phone number and other details, payment details and those things. So to stop that, what are you going to do? So first open up settings, so go to your Chrome, so open up Chrome, so on your phone, so go to Chrome. Okay, so just open up Chrome, so launch Chrome. Once you're on Google Chrome here, so what are you going to do? You're going to click on the three dots which is on your top right here. So click on the three dots. Okay, once you have clicked on the three dots, next what are you going to do? You're going to like go to settings. Okay, click on the settings option here, so just click that in. Okay, click on settings, and then once you're on settings here, you're going to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and you will see this option called privacy and security. So here, as you can see, privacy and security, tap on it. Okay, tap on privacy and security. So under privacy and security, what you're going to do here, you have this option called third party. So under privacy and security here, you have this option here called third party cookies. Okay, tap on the third party cookies, and from here what are you going to do? Click on these block third party cookies. Okay, so this will prevent your Chrome from giving access to some of your details, which includes phone number and all those things. So just block these third party cookies. Okay, once that's done, you can go back here. So just go back, and then also and apart from your phone number details, you also have other details like your payment details that can be shared through Chrome. Okay, so what are you going to do again once you're on this privacy and security option here? So tap on the privacy and security option, and then here scroll down. Okay, scroll down and you have this option called access payment methods. Turn that off. Okay, turn that off. Turn the access payment method off, so you won't have access to so you don't give Google to give access to your payment methods to other sites and unauthorized sites which we don't really know. Okay, that's one thing. And once that's done, so next what we're going to do is you're going to go back here. So just go back. So once that's done, go back to your phone settings, so you can just quit that. So next what are you going to do again? Go back to your Chrome again. So go to your Chrome again and click on the three dots which is on your top right. Click on it and then go to settings. Okay, so click on settings and go to settings, and now on settings here, what you're going to do is scroll down and you will see these addresses and more. Tap on it and turn this off. Okay, so this will prevent autofilling and providing access to certain websites and tasks, especially when you browse through Google. So especially your card details, your address details and name details, these won't be auto-filled to certain sites because sometimes you don't really want to do it. You can manually do it if you want to. Okay, but it's always good to turn this off, so it will prevent your payment methods, your phone numbers and your address details and other personal details to be shared on these sites here. So you can do that. Okay, and once that's done, next what we're going to do is we're going to go to your settings on your phone. So go back to your phone settings. So on your phone here, just go to your settings on your phone. So tap on your settings, and here once you're on your settings, on the search bar here which is on your top right, search for permission. Okay, just type in permission. Okay, type in permission and this will show up these details here. So here what you're going to do is click on this permission manager here. So open up the permission manager. So when you get to your permission manager here, you want to stop certain apps from accessing your contacts and phone number details. So through these apps, other people like scammers and unauthorized marketers and all those people can access your phone number and contact details. Not just your phone number, your contacts as well. So to stop and prevent that, what we can do, so this is the under permission manager here. So what are you going to do? You're going to click on this contacts option here. So you can see this is a contacts option. So if you click on the contacts option, this is the apps, these are the apps that have access to your contacts. So you have to browse through these and see which are the apps that you have allowed contacts and see if they really require. So for example here, your contacts app, they definitely need your access to your contacts. So you can allow that, that's fine. But certain apps, like for example, like Instagram doesn't really need my contact access. So you can tap on it and click on don't allow. Okay, so do the same to other apps here. See which other apps have access to your contacts and then turn it off if you don't really need them. Unless you really need them, you can keep it, and the rest you can just turn it off. Okay, and then next you can also do the same thing for your call logs as well. So if you go back, click on back here and then click on call logs. Okay, click on it, and then here the same thing, you can just allow only the apps that really needs access to your call details and allow only those apps. Like for example, Instagram doesn't need, so select Instagram, click on don't allow. Okay, and then do the same thing for all other apps. In that way you can prevent these apps here to access your contacts and call histories, and you can like prevent all this sharing of these informations. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to go through in this video. So if you follow up this process, you can stop your phone number being exposed, and you can just turn off this being happen. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all in a new video. Thank you.